Hi guys, it's Tom from TBAV here. Welcome to a smart home we've recently completed for Reilly Developments in Hampshire. So this button by the front door here, as soon as we press that, the house will be ready for us to go. Come on through. So as you can hear, that button by the front door started Jazz FM radio. So that was a very neutral radio station that we thought would be suitable for any potential clients walking around the house, and it's also set the lighting scene to just how we like it. So in this particular project we were given a scope of works by Reilly's, and that was to basically add a bit of wow factor to this house that they're trying to sell. So this house was built as a development, and what we've done is we've incorporated various smart home solutions to ensure that the house is ready for any modern family that's moving in. So we've done a lighting control system. We've also done a music system incorporating 4 audio zones in the house. The entire house is actually wired for up to 10 audio zones, I think it is, but we've only actually installed 4 now. So when the new homeowners move in, if they wish to add the extra zones later, they can do. We've also done comfort. So this is an entire full heating control system as well. So with a house of this size, you want to be able to make sure that you can keep a good balance of and good control of the entire heating system, both for saving energy and also ensuring comfort as well. We put in a security system consisting of an alarm by Ajax and CCTV cameras by UniView. They're all integrated within the Control4 solution as well. And there's also an intercom between here and the front door. As well as the front door cabling, we've also cabled direct to the front gate. So in the future, if the client puts some automated gates on, we'll be able to integrate that with the Control4 system, and as someone rings the front gate, they'll be able to answer it on here. So this is the 7-inch portable touchscreen manufactured by Control4, and it's running the latest OS3 operating software. So I'll show you how it all works on here now. So starting here, we're in the kitchen. So we can change any room in the house just by the click of this button. So you can browse through whether it's outside, master bedroom, we've even got a drawing room for you. Every room is on here. We've also got the lighting control. On the lights, as you can see, we've got the downlights in the kitchen. They're on full brightness. The 5 amp sockets, which are yet to have anything plugged into, these are the sockets that you can see around the room. They're for table lamps and any other side lights and things like that the new homeowners might plug in. We've also got the kitchen island and the TV area downlights. And as well as this room, we've also got access to all the other rooms in the house. So no more thinking if you've forgotten to turn a table light off in one of the side rooms, you can make sure it's done from here. We've also programmed some lighting scenes. We've assigned those buttons to scenes that we've pre-programmed. These scenes can be programmed by the client using one of these touchscreens, or they can have us come in, sit down, set all the scenes how they like, and then we can save them as presets for the client as well. So under here, under the scenes tab, we've got a all off scene. If we hit that, as you can see, we're in darkness, everything's off. That was for the entire house as well. So that particular scene we've assigned to a button by the side door. So as you leave the house, hit the button, you know that everything's off. We've also got a all on. As you can see, everything back in the house on. We've also got one set for cooking. This particular lighting scene, as you can see, lights up the island a lot more, makes it a lot easier for when you're cooking. So once you finish dinner, go into kitchen to chill, everything dims down a lot. We've got a TV unit over here as well, so that will be ideal for after dinner. You can chill down. I imagine there'll be some sofas and things around here. So here in the kitchen, we're going to give you a quick demonstration about how the music system works. By hitting the stations button here, it will bring up any preset stations that you've got. In this case, Jazz FM. So, as you can hear now, Jazz FM's just started in the kitchen. We can then control the volume button with it.
Now that's jazz, and soul, and groove, and Latin, and indie.
So we'll just pause that for now. So, as well as being in the kitchen, from this one tablet, we have full control of the house as well. If we click here on the zone button at the top, we can see all the sessions that are available. So earlier when we grouped in the other rooms as well as the kitchen, we turned the kitchen off but we've left the other rooms playing. We'll be able to hit this button here and independently adjust the volume control in each room, or if we wish we can turn those rooms off as well. So we'll end that session. There's no more audio playing in the house. This will then move us across to the next part of the integration that we've done here, and that's with the comfort and heating. So here at the house we've incorporated heat miser underfloor heating. So the heat miser Neo range integrates perfectly with Control 4. So we actually now have full control through this one interface. So rather than having an app for this, an app for that, another app for something else, we've got it all on one simple, easy to use interface. So we'll begin by pressing the comfort button. So from this page we have full control of all the thermostats within the home. By pressing on the desired room, we can then see in this room the heating is set to 21.5, but it's currently 18.8 in the room. If we wanted to turn the temperature down, simply move the slider bar down to 16 and the heating will now go off. Having this in full use makes life so much easier. Rather than having to walk around the house and adjust all the different settings, you can do it from the comfort of the sofa. As well as doing the heating, it can also enable you to take a look at the weather outside. Something simple but quite handy to have. So we're in the not so sunny Southampton at the moment. We've also integrated a security system at this house. Very, very important part of any home. Under the security tab here, we've got all the different cameras that we've installed around the property. As mentioned before, with the audio system, we've also pre-wired for additional CCTV cameras. So if the new homeowner wishes to, we can add some more just to cover those slight blind spots. So, under the intercom section of the Control 4 touchscreen, this will allow us to use multiple touchscreens like this to communicate through the property. And it also allows for the front door station, and also in the future, when one goes on the front gate, as someone presses the front gate, it will ring through to the intercom and you can see who's there, answer the phone or not. Once you've answered, you'll be able to have a choice of lots of different things, where you can answer it without volume, with volume, and you can also choose to open or close the gate. So from this tablet here, we can control a variety of different products within the home. In this case, we've actually incorporated the outdoor water feature. So if we go from the kitchen here now we'll scroll down to outside. Once outside, you can see here we've got an icon for the water fountain. Once we press that, you can see the water fountain's on. So thank you very much for joining us on the tour of this home that we did for Reilly Developments. If you've got any questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch. You can get hold of us via the website link here, or alternatively, give us a call on 02380 200 581. Thank you.